Now take a look at this phantom wallet. All of this money came from launching Memecoin specifically, not from trading charts, not by hype, not by guessing, just by using a strategy that actually works. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. Keep watching. Now just a couple months ago, trading meme coins was my bread and butter. I was making thousands of dollars every single day just by buying at the right time and then selling at the top. But something flipped, okay? Every single time I bought inside a coin, well, it crashed right after, just like this chart right here. I would buy in and then I would lose all my money, and this happened repeatedly, and that's how I lost most of my money, and that's exactly why I had to do something to change this. Okay, that's when I realized the people winning are not traders, they're the creators, okay? Creating your own coins gives you full control over any coin you launch. You control the pricing, you control the timing, and the entire narrative. All you're doing, okay, is creating coins, waiting for buyers, and then liquidating for profits. Okay, and by the way, creating coins is completely free. It costs literally $0. I will show you in today's video how to make your very first Solana token and then make potentially some money, turn $0 into like 1.5k or some shit, and just do this over and over again. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Now I just want to be clear that everything in this video is for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice, so just understand the strategy before you use it. Now a lot of people, when they switch finally from trading to deving, they launch their meme coins on Pump.Fun. Now I'm pretty sure most of you guys know this launchpad. Basically it's the biggest launchpad on the blockchain, but there's a problem. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. New coins are drowning instantly, so if you launch a meme coin, you are just wasting your time and energy. Okay, on top of that, your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated onto the Raydium DEX, which will take too long and too much effort, and you don't even control your own liquidity, so how the fuck can you cash out your profits? That's why I switched to create coins.io, because create coins.io fixes all of that and pushes your token directly onto the Raydium DEX, which means all your coins will be immediately migrated onto the Raydium DEX and shown to tens and thousands of new traders every single second. That's why I launch on create coins.io. Okay, you get more exposure, more volume, and more profit potential. Obviously, bro, I would do a quick example because it's actually insane. Now you have two different choices to launch your own meme coin on chain. The first choice is obvious, and that's to create a new coin from scratch. So first of all, you have to set up your branding. Go on X, go on any social media platform, and look for a narrative to make a meme coin about it. Okay, for example, Elon Musk tweets, political tweets, any type of news will do good. Okay, one day the hustle will pay off, keep grinding, you know, just anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, come back to create coins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image by screenshotting anything, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created on chain on create coins.io. Okay, but the second choice and the second official method to make a meme coin on chain is actually the quickest path to results and the most profitable, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these coins already have heat and attention, so when you relaunch them onto the Raydium DEX, you get instant buyers and rapid momentum because the hype is already existing. Okay, both are effective, but copying coins might be a cheat code because you're copying coins that are already printing thousands of dollars. But anyways, let's stop over explaining and let's actually get down to actual business. I will be copying a coin on chain and we will see how much we make by the end of the video. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is obviously connected, right? That's a must-have. Then click on refresh this to have all the new coins pop up in front of you, and let's look for a coin to copy. I think I will copy the FA coin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, so it looks decent market cap. It could be better, but yeah. Click on create coin. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, right? And then the file coin should be created in a couple seconds. Well, copied, it's the same thing. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is on chain. Everything is legit. You guys can look up this coin, okay? Everything is working. Okay, it's on chain. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this part's actually easier than it looks. We add liquidity into your own coin, so your meme coin becomes instantly tradable on Raydium the second it gets created right here, okay? It's really easy. We're just setting up the pool. This page, okay, Pump.Fun does not offer you guys the option to create. Now for the token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens. You are keeping 10% of the supply, and you will be making money off of that 10%. And on top of that, all your creator fees, right under for the amount token B. This is basically your initial buy-in. You are not spending so permanently. It is just being used to activate the pool. Okay, so you are the first buyer. 0.3 SO is the minimum, and you'll get that exact amount back when you pull out the liquidity later. I'm going to put 0.35 SO, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe. Then click on create pool. Once again, you are going to get this back. Then obviously ignore the block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, just click on the refresh button down below, scroll down, and boom, the fall coin is on live. Okay, your profits in real time are right here. And guys, look at this. If you click on the refresh button right here, now you can see your profits go up. We are now at $135 USD profit, which is around 1 SO, right? Now click on view on Photon or Axiom or Nova to see your meme coin, to see the chart. That's the whole point of launching meme coins. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. And now everything is fucking working. Let's fucking go. We are getting a shit ton of buyers, 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity. Things are looking good. We just got a $48 buy right here, 48 right here, 75, $43. Oh my god, bro, we are getting so many transactions. $48 again, bro. People are buying inside our coin. We might be up a couple $100 by now. $73. Things are looking insane, bro. You guys gotta start diving, okay? OMG. Things are looking actual good. 2k market cap, bro. I am actually blessed. I created this coin with $0. And as you guys can see, bro, this is proof that diving is way more profitable than trading. Oh my god. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. And when I am back, we are going to see how much we make. Okay guys, I am back and we are at a 3.1k market cap. It is going down a bit, but we are still at a 1.5, 1.6k liquidity. Now before it goes down, let's make some quick money. Come back to createcoins.io, and obviously bro, make sure to click on the refresh button to check your profits. And now as you guys can see, we're up $152,000, which is around 500%, which is absolutely insane. I am super grateful, okay, even though it costed me $0. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all, remove the money, then just wait a couple seconds, ignore the block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it step by step. Now, if I open the Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made, boom, $1,600 went straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro. Everything is legit, okay? And even though the market is down, we still ended up on top, bro. DM me on X if you have any questions, okay, at Jay.crypto. I respond to everybody. I am fully transparent. Join my free Discord and Telegram, and now bye.